All right, here it is, the Wonder Sphere. Well, anyway, we got to get it out of here. Let me go ahead and just open up the box, grab it. That was easy, right? Now we've got to charge it. On the bottom, you're going to see there's a little port there, and that's one of those USB, like Android ones. So what you got to do is you kind of got to hold it like that and then shove this in there. Just got to make sure you get it the right direction. So I'm going to get it in. Okay, I got it. All right, so now that should be charging. And now we just got to let it charge. You follows me? I don't know if you can see that little red light in there. It's very, very faint. And this will charge up, and then we can go ahead and try it out and see how she works. You know what I mean, Jelly Beans? Here we have our cord, and it's in that block, which leads into the 110. So that should be charging it pretty good. All right, so you see a little red thing in there going on as we charge it. All right, it's been a while. Let's see what happens. Let's pop that off. And there's a little, all right, I don't know if you can see it. There's a little button right there. You guys see that button? We got to press that. And that comes on. Now we've got to turn it this way. And to get it to work, I've got to go shake it. Maybe this way. Oh, there we go. Check it out. All right, so once you get it charged, you've got to turn it this way. So this is the top, actually. And then what you do is just go. So this, you got to put this side up for it to go up. See if I can get it to stay right here. Look at the colors. All right, here we go. All right, that was fun. So anyway, this is going to take a while to figure out how to use. I think you can play catch with other people, but we'll try that. I'm going to turn it off right now.